Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from KLAIYI hair. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below, so let's get started. This is a 7x5 lace wig. She is also a glueless unit, so if you don't want to add product to her, you don't have to. She is a Yaki texture, so she does mimic the same texture as natural hair. To be honest, this is definitely a put on and go type of unit. All you need is your foundation or complexion product, whatever you use, and you just go in and color that lace and you should be good to go. As y'all can see, she also does have that drawstring in the back, so baby, that extra security goes a long way, especially if you're trying to wear her glueless. She has combs, adjustable straps, an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band, and also a drawstring. So right now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation. As y'all can see, it blended in seamlessly with my skin. So right now I am putting that elastic band around the lace so it can melt. So I decided to go in and cut some face framing layers. Nothing too crazy. Once again, this step is always optional. You do not have to do this. Like I told y'all, I did go in and pluck her just a little bit. Just a little bit. I just want to just open her up just a little bit. So my thoughts about this wig from KLAIYI Hair. I really do like how beginner friendly this is. So if you are a first time wig wearer, this is a great wig to put on. The construction of this unit is impeccable. I love the extra security this unit had. It had combs, it had the elastic band, it had a drawstring, and they actually gave you more comb, and they actually gave you adhesive tabs to put along the hairline as well if you don't feel like dealing with product. She didn't tangle, she didn't shed. I didn't have any cons with this unit. I like how realistic and natural it felt and looked. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank KLAIYI Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. Thank you once again for supporting my most recent wig sale. I appreciate everyone that came out, bought some wigs. As of today, the wigs are sent out. Baby, they are on their way. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.